Next, let's look at how to draw a 60-degree angle. First of all, you need some kind of line segment, or line or ray or something. If you don't have one, please draw a line segment. Any length is fine if it doesn't ask you to draw one. Next, measure your compass to some comfortable radius and put your compass point on either end of your line segment. I'm going to put it on the left end here. Next, draw a big arc covering at least the 60-degree angle that you need. Next, keep your compass radius the same and put your compass point here on the arc that you just created. And connect it through the arc here. And lastly, all you have to do is connect these 2 points, and that is 60 degrees. Very simple, yeah? Also, it's quite quick, so you might want to have another look back at this. Thank you.